Okay, this might be something that you don't want people to.
This is how they torture prisoners of war.
Because
this, without that, is
without
very,
it.
very, very uncomfortable.
Cody had to get his fingers popped. Well, dislocated
Oh, yeah.
and broken.
Same sort of thing. It helps a lot when you numb it up a little bit.
Oh my gosh. That's all her nail, right?
Yeah. But because the acrylic doesn't cut easily,
Right.
I have to take the nail with it.
So we definitely had to come to the hospital.
Yeah, I looked at it and I was like, maybe it's not too bad. And then I looked at it better and I was like, no, I think I should go.
Yeah. Let's see.
I'm sorry if my finger's pushing down. I can't really feel it
Don't worry
much.
about
What? Oh my gosh.
Does that mean she's not gonna have a nail?
it. No, it'll grow back. But
Okay.
yeah.
She's worried about my nail. Mom.
Well, you worry so much about your nails. It's
Not after I had a kid. They have to be snipped off.
Nah, it's better if you leave that on. See, it's just a little bit of superficial skin there.
whatever, Christina.
You don't know how many times I've seen this in
I
videos
know
that I've
you
watched,
have,
and I've
you
always.
remember when I had my ingrown toenail that you told me?
It's like, come on, Mom, just let me do it.
I'll go ahead and take care of it.
Okay, so, see, it pulled. I don't know if you can, if you want to zoom in. You see how it sort of, there's a little laceration right there? That's what I was pointing. Right through there, where it starts to sort of fill in with blood. So, I don't want to affect the cuticle at all. Yeah.